In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages in Coda IO. If you're building a doc with multiple sections, linking pages is a simple way to help people jump to the right place without breaking their flow. The great part is that it works the same almost anywhere you type in Coda, on the canvas of a page or inside a table cell, so once you learn it, you can use it everywhere. Here's how it works. When you're typing in Coda and you want to create a quick link to another page in the same doc, type the @ symbol, then start typing the name of the page you want to link. As soon as you press the @ symbol, Coda opens a small search right where your cursor is. This search filters in real time, so even if you only remember part of the page title, just type what you know and you'll see it appear in the dropdown. From there, select the correct page from the drop-down menu that appears. You can click it with your mouse or use the arrow keys and press enter to choose it. The moment you select it, Coda turns your text into a clickable page link. You'll notice it's formatted to stand out a bit from regular text, which is helpful when you're scanning a document or a long row in a table. One of the nicest touches is what happens when you hover over the link. Coda shows a preview card of that page's content. Think of it as a quick peek without leaving your current spot. This preview can help you confirm you picked the right page and gives teammates a snapshot of what they'll find before they click through. It's especially handy in meeting notes, project hubs, or dashboards where you want to provide context without overwhelming the reader. A few tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the page you're looking for at first, keep typing a more specific part of its title. Coda's search narrows results as you go. If you accidentally pick the wrong one, just backspace or delete the link and repeat the @ symbol step to try again. Because the same method works inside table cells, you can combine structured data with quick navigation, like linking a design brief page right from a tasks table row, so collaborators can move from summary to details in a single click. And that's all there is to it. Type the @ symbol, start the page name, select from the dropdown, and use the hover preview to stay oriented. Simple, fast, and consistent across your doc.